Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Cikgu Amira. Today we will learn on how to answer directed writing question for SPM English 1119. For this question, you will be tested to write directed writing on paper 1 section A. The marks allocated for this section is 35 marks. It is divided into 3 parts. The first one is format, content and language. Language carries 3 marks, 12 marks for the content and another 20 marks for the language. You need to write an essay based on what is written in the question. There would be few points given and you need to include all points in your essay. Let's check on this question together for further understanding. Okay, the question asks you to write a directed writing. Full marks is 35 marks. Time suggested is 45 minutes. Okay, the question is, your cousin who has just finished his or her SPM examination is going for a job interview and is worried about it. He or she has asked for your advice. Using the information below, write a letter to him or her and suggest how to prepare for a job interview. Okay, there are few tips on answering directed writing question. The first tips is you need to understand and identify what is the keyword in the question. So in this question, what is the keyword class? Okay, so here the question asks you to write a letter. So what kind of letter should you write here? Very good. You need to write a letter which is an informal letter. So you will write an informal letter to your cousin, giving your advice for him or her on job interview that he or she need to attend. Okay, there are few points stated in the question. So in your letter, you need to include the following points. Number 1, you need to mention the job. So before the interview, the information of the company or the information of the company, you need to write the name of the company, prepare your resume, bring relevant documents. So in the question, you need to suggest 2 documents needed for the interview. Document number 1 and document number 2. Other points are Google for directions, on the day of the interview, appropriate attire. You need to wear appropriate attire, be on time, right state of mind. Okay, another point, during the interview, you need to greet the interviewer, answer all the questions asked from the interviewer, and ask if you're unsure. So in your writing, you need to show layout of the letter. So here is the example of format of an informal letter. Don't forget to include all the points given in your letter. Remember, you need to give at least 12 points to get full marks for the content. Okay, let's move on to the second tips of answering directed writing question. Okay, how you want to elaborate your points is by using WH question. Do you still remember, class, what is WH questions? Okay, WH question is H is how. Next, W, who, where, when, why, what, which and where. Okay, so there are actually 1 H and another 4 W. Okay, I give you some example here. For W, where. Where is used to ask in or what place or position. The first W you want to use in your essay is who. We use who to ask about person. Who is the person in charge? When you want to write about who, Directly we will use for a person. Where, when we want to use where, is for asking in or at what place or position. For example, where do you live? Where are my boots? Okay, another example is when you want to use how. Okay, how, we want to use how when we are about to ask question, asking about quantity, used with countable noun. Do you still remember what is countable and uncountable noun? Better you remember, okay? Okay, next. Point number 2 or tips number 2, use adjectives and adverbs in your writing. This is one way to improve your writing and make it more interesting. For example, don't forget we use adjective to describe a noun. For example, the noun, I give you the noun is Cikgu Amira. So what is the suitable adjective for Cikgu Amira? Very good. Cikgu Amira is a teacher. So you want to add adjective before the noun. The noun here is teacher. So the adjective that you should add before the noun is Cikgu Amira is a beautiful and kind teacher. So here, beautiful and kind is the adjective. Very good. So I will give you another example. Okay, please prepare your resume before the interview. So you want to add adjective before the noun. Please prepare your best resume before the interview. So the adjective here is best. Very good. Okay, the last tips I would give here is you should know your marks allocation. You should know that you will be awarded 3 marks for the format. So you have to remember and follow the format of the question. Like this question today, they want you to write an informal letter. So what's important here, you should write the salutation, the introduction, body of the essay, and last one is the closure. So the closure, you should write your signature, signing off by whom, your name and your signature. Okay, last one. And another 12 marks for the content. So as I mentioned before, you should write all the content, all the points given for the content. For example, if the question give you 10 points, so you should add another 2 points to make it 12 points. Okay, last one is 20 marks for the language. Just to make sure that you fulfill all the 3 formats requirement. For example, for information letter, you must have your salutation, body and closure. Okay, it is important for you to score at least 25 marks for directed writing, since it is one of the few questions in SPM English 1119 paper where one can do without struggling. Why I say that this paper you are not so struggle to answer this question? Because the points are already given. So my advice is not to waste the precious marks by not taking the section seriously. Directed writing means the direction are all given. So just follow them and get there. Okay? That's all from me. Assalamualaikum and all the best.